Hey there, travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. Welcome back to
Las Vegas!
We are at the Planet Hollywood for their reopening weekend, and we're so excited to be here. So we have a couple things planned that we're going to take you guys on today. One being a room tour. Now we're staying here at the Planet Hollywood in one of the, I guess they call it the ultra hip room here on the 37th floor with an incredible view, and can't wait to share it with you. We might take you guys on down to the pool side, but there's a hidden surprise with the pool, and we'll tell you about that in just a minute.
Right, and then after the pool, we're heading over to Pinup Pizza to check it out. Some great pizza here at Planet Hollywood.
Absolutely, and I think it's probably a good idea that we get this party started because time is a-ticking. You ready to rock?
I'm ready.
Let's go! Hey, good morning, get over here. Come on. I'm gonna show you guys what a grand good morning looks like here from Planet Hollywood's view, baby. Good morning, good morning. Isn't this view amazing? Now this is definitely the highlight of the room, I will say. The Paris is below, the Bellagio Fountain show is directly across the way. Lovely scenes of the mountains in the back there. And of course the sun is behind us so you don't get that blast of sun in your face as it rises, but you will capture a nice sunset, which will be absolutely stunning. Now, isn't that view amazing? Welcome to Planet Hollywood, the reopening. We are so glad you can join us. This here is called the Ultra Hip King Room. It's on the 37th floor with the fountain view, and you saw from the views, it's spectacular. So they give you a huge sort of like white leathery chase sort of feel here. In a dark little corner, cozy nook, guess if you want to read a book. Of course, you move around, you got really big end tables, which is nice. And of course, they have that leather sort of long headboard, which kind of creates a little hip ambience. And of course you have a king bed here. Now before we can determine if the bed is really suited for us, Dave, what do you think? We should get the bed test?
Oh, it's time for the bed test.
Let's do it. Woo! Yep. That qualified as a soft bed, so we'll be getting a good amount of sleep tonight. So of course, this is not much to the room, pretty small. You got your little armoire here, television set. Down below, what is nice, guys, is check this out.
Ooh.
There's a refrigerator, not a mini bar, a refrigerator. So you can head right down to your local liquor store and stock up on all your good stuff right there, or juices, whatever suits your need. Of course, you got a little section here for your coffee, sort of zebra-like. Stripe and everything else. And that goes the same like here. The theme must have something to do with it because it's a whimsical zebra just hanging out.
Exactly. Hanging out on the light.
Little closet here, like a little bureau in here for sure. And of course the artwork I think is what makes it sort of whimsical and fun and kind of hip. You got the naked lady with the hat, really kind of showing a silhouette side of it. So she's naked. This is really funky.
Right.
Walk into the bathroom, it's like, yo, what's up?
That's right.
And this is where you hang your towels. You got the deep kind of soaker tub in here, and that definitely is going to be used for sure, after those
It is deep.
live from the strips.
Yes.
You have this separate potty room. The shower is pretty big. Spacious.
Yeah, it's a good sized shower.
Good sized shower. Really clean and nice and ultra hip, I guess you would say. And that is really it, you guys. So it's kind of a cute sort of, you're not gonna really be hanging out in your room code 5 here. Come up here and capture the views. You come up here to watch some TV, have a couple drinks, get down to some gambling. Now, I know I'm talking really fast, and that is only because it's time for us to get down to the pool.
Walk into the pool.
Walk into the pool.
What car's gone?
My car.
Exactly.
So So hope you guys can hear us right now. We're at the Paris poolside, and it's pretty bright and early. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning here.
Yeah, you're gonna walk out to the strip, go for a little bit of a stroll. It's not far, but it is a little odd walking out of the pool at the next door hotel.
Yeah.
So how is it? What do you
Water
think?
feels absolutely amazing, and it's nice. I mean, you know, you do wish you have a little bit more sunshine on this side, but it's coming. It's getting above. Once it gets above, you get some sunshine in the pool, but that's what happens when you get here early. You don't get the sunshine, but you do get a good seat. So, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's nice. It's like, you know, pool's not too cold.
Yes.
You know, feel pretty warm, and it's gonna definitely heat up when the sun comes around.
Oh
so.
yeah, it's supposed to be like 80 degrees today.
And a beautiful view of the Eiffel Tower. Nice.
So we made it to Pinup Pizza now. Full disclosure, this is the next day. So Dave and I had a great time at the pool. We got carried away, relaxed a little bit longer than needed.
Yeah.
So we had things to do, so we decided to film this today. But boy, welcome Pinup Pizza. These slices are humongous, and their slogan is basically large slices and pretty faces.
That's right, and the slices are definitely large.
Yes.
Right, really large slices here. Looks really good too. Really kind of that New York style, thin slices.
Yes.
Looks like my kind of pizza.
Absolutely. Now it's kind of through the sports book over here at Planet Hollywood. You just kind of walk through. Now there really isn't a place to sit. There's places you can stand, but we kind of snuck over to Earl of Sandwich to have a little tasty tidbit here.
Yes.
So what did you get?
Yeah, so I got pepperoni and sausage slice.
Wow.
And it looks really good. I put some
meatballs.
Yeah, exactly. I thought it was sausage, but
And that's sausage, and that's meatballs.
oh, you have everything.
You got
Okay,
everything
I
on
got
there.
everything. Yeah, I didn't realize this. This is like the meat lovers pizza, right? We got pepperoni, sausage, and
Meatballs.
meatballs, and meatballs. Exactly. And then I put a little crushed red pepper on there and some Parmesan.
Oh, I like that. The
Yeah.
crushed pepper and Parmesan is something
Right.
we really like. I ended up getting what is a white slice. I ended up getting with the tomatoes. Looks like it has some basil, mozzarella.
Nice thing about it, it's definitely thin, so it's not. I feel like you're not getting filled up from the dough.
No, it's
Right.
exactly.
Here we go. Ready?
No, let's do it. I gotta get some extra stuff now. Well, I'll tell you, it is pretty. This was a pretty nice slice. It's very thin on the cheese, not super powering. The crust has a nice little crunch on the bottom of that for sure, and I just love it with that burst of flavor from the tomatoes. The mozzarella has a really nice little kick to it. Of course, in the little toppings, and the crushed red pepper and the Parmesan really takes it over the top. But I thought it was a pretty good slice.
Yeah, well, mine. This is definitely a meat lover's pizza. I mean, you really taste the pepperoni, the sausage, and the meatball. It's like all in there, really good. There's not a ton of sauce on there, so I don't taste a lot of sauce. A nice thin layer of cheese, which I like. I don't really like real thick, kind of doughy pizza, so this is thin. For some people, maybe it's a little bit too thin.
Yeah,
but
that's why we love that.
I kind of like it this way.
So that was really good.
That was really good.
Yeah.
And the slices, the basic slices are $8.99 a piece. Now our slices were $9.99, so we kind of had the specialty one with a lot of stuff on them.
And I just want to say thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you really enjoyed this video and hadn't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get up every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, world travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all in Las Vegas!